All right, number 6 on the Math 3 EOC practice test. Shanika is making a decorative tablecloth for her small circular table. The table has a radius of 40 centimeters. All right, so forgive my poor drawing, but your radius goes from the center out. So this is 40 centimeters and a height of 60 centimeters. And again, I'm not a drawer, but the height is 60. She wants the tablecloth to hang an even 10 centimeters above the ground. So she doesn't want to go all the way to the ground, so it's going to be 10 above the ground. Which design would give her what she wants? All right, so 40 plus 60 is 100. We want it to be 10 above the ground. So if it has a radius of 90 centimeters, that would give you what you need.